Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, you would be knowing that I've been on my honeymoon recently and I went crazy. So yeah, I went crazy shopping. There was a lot of stuff that you can just buy. So I bought a lot of stuff, makeup, nail polish, clothes, shoes, bags. You know how that is. So yes, anyway, I really wanted to show this to you guys, especially the makeup. And look at this. This is the whole bag of stuff that we're going to talk about in this video. So let's not waste any more time and get into it. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of stuff I bought, but I didn't go like real crazy in makeup because I couldn't really try a lot of products, so I thought maybe whatever I'm sure of I would go for it. So yes, I'm going to start off with this very interesting product. This is the brow set, and I bought 3 of these. I'm currently using one. I've used it today. It looks gorgeous. I think it's very innovative of them, like the Korean makeup. Let me actually show this one to you. It's worth looking at. So this is how. Okay, so this comes with a pencil and it is retractable, which is really good. I liked the pencil. It's quite stiff, I would say. It's not like too creamy, which I don't prefer, especially for the brows. And then it comes with a shadow stick like this, and you can actually use the pencil from the center to the ends and then use the shadow in the front so that you don't have like a stark depth look. And then the interesting part is it comes with a mascara. I mean, it's like a setting gel, which looks like that. It comes with a very nice wand. I think it's a pretty good idea to have the whole set in one. Like, you know, you save so much space. You don't have to worry about carrying multiple products. So I really like this pencil, and this is from the brand called Miss Tyne, and it's called the 3D Brows Secret Brow Set. So I absolutely love this. I'm currently using one. I gave one to my mother, and yeah, this is the one. So I bought 3 of these. And then this is again from Miss Tyne, and this is what I have on today. This is the liner I'm wearing. It's a fabulous liner. It goes so black. I actually used a brush. I didn't use the brush that comes with this, but I used an angular brush and created the wing. So this is a very good product. I used it about twice or thrice now, and it goes so smooth. I'm sorry guys, I don't remember the prices of these products. It's been a while that I've been back, and I wanted to do this video at the earliest, but I couldn't, so I don't really remember the prices. If in case I remember something, I'll probably list it down below. Another product from the same brand, and this is Miss Tyne again. It's called the Maxi Black Eyeliner. Oh, I forgot to tell you the name of this one. It's called So Black Liquid Liner, and thumbs up, I found this. I barely like liquid liners. I'm more into the gel liner stuff, but I found my love. So yeah, anyway, and the next product here is again from the same brand, and it's called Maxi Black Eyeliner. I didn't actually get a chance to try this on, but looks pretty good. Just look at the packaging. It's so nice and fancy. It looks like any other high-end brand. Let me actually swatch this. I haven't tried it yet. Not bad. It's not like absolute jet black. Maybe if you go 2 or 3 swipes, it might give the and then I came across this brand called Sivana Colors. and they had a lot of stuff around from the same brand, and I thought, why not try it? I've seen a couple of YouTubers trying these the products from this brand, so I thought, why not? So this one is the Sivana Colors Bronzed Professional. It looks pretty good. It looks like the Makeup Revolution one, the bronzer. It's a very nice shiny bronzer. It's not like shiny, but you know, it gives you a very nice glow. And I've used the contour shade, and it looks so good. I really like the contour shade. It looks so natural. I think it's the best contour shade I've used so far, and this is the highlight I'm wearing today. So yeah, I kind of like it. It looks so pretty. Don't you think so? Let me know in the comments bar down below if you like what I'm wearing today. Let me actually swatch this quickly for you. And also, these are very smooth, and they're not like super creamy or super smooth. They are just the right consistency, and that's how they swatch. I think it's pretty good. And then I bought some lashes, some random lashes, I don't know. It says Love Lashes, and I don't think they have any style written, and in case if it's written also, I can't read this. It's in Thai. Oh yeah, I bought 3 of these styles. This is one. This is like the most voluminous that I bought, and then this is the second one. So this is something that I prefer. I really like lashes like this. These are so fluttery, so nice. So, and I think these were those value packs, and these are like 10 pairs. So I don't remember the price, but I'll try to recollect and put that in the description box down below. So yeah, these are the 3 sets of lashes I bought. They look absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to try these. And then there's another product from Sivana Colors. So the first one was the bronzer, like the bronzer contour shade and the highlight. And this is the Big Eye Beauty. It has 2 wands. I'm not going to open this, guys, because I have so many mascaras lying there, and I gotta use them. I can't just keep drying these. As I see, it has like 2 wands, and this is for the upper lashes, and the smaller one is for the lower lashes. So I think this is a very good. So and then there is another product from Sivana Colors again. So these are those peach bean blusher. So this is how it looks. It looks like kids makeup to me. The packaging is pretty cheap. I don't like the packaging in this particular one. But let us actually swatch and see how these feel. If this is a good product, then who cares about the packaging? So, ooh, they look really good. So this is how these swatch. I think swatch is pretty good. I really like how this looks. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah, it looks pretty good. I also wanted to try this for a longest time. So I bought these oval brushes. It's from a regular, I don't know, some local brand from Thailand. So maybe a Korean brand. I don't know about this brand. I've never heard about this brand. I wanted to try, and they looked fancy to me, so I picked it up. But I tried using this so that I can give you a review on how these feel. I don't know about the other brands that have brushes like this, but it's a good brush if you have a good skin. Like I have some texture issues with my skin, and I've been treating them. So people with texture issues or maybe pigmentation, if you want like high coverage, this is not really going to work. At least not this one. I don't know about the rest of the brands. Maybe they work, I don't know, but this one doesn't really work. It gives you like a very minimum coverage, and or maybe I'm just used to the brushes or the beauty blender, I don't know. So this actually didn't work for me, but this brush was pretty good. I liked this one, maybe because I wasn't using a foundation with this. I used this to contour and it really worked. I really like this one. Again, this is from another local brand from Thailand. I don't know the brand. It actually doesn't have anything here. Maybe this is from the same brand called Oval Brush from VOCE, I don't know. So yeah, this really worked well for me, but not this one. So then let me actually show you some face masks that I picked. I actually gave one to my mom. It was a repairing mask and I can't find another one. The 3 masks that I bought, and the fun thing about this, if you just look at this, you can see when you wear this mask, you're going to look like a panda. So it's a funny thing, and I was really excited when I saw this and I had to pick it up. And then this one is the Animal Dragon Soothing Mask, and this is how you're going to look when you wear this. So I might do a video soon on this, and I don't mind looking like a panda. Okay, yeah, and this was for 59 baht each. I see these stickers, so yes. And then I also bought this red wine antioxidant facial mask. I actually have two of each. I bought these eyeshadows. These are like these single eyeshadows. And let me actually swatch this for you. It looks really good, guys. I don't know if you get these here, but when I looked at it, I was like, no, I don't want it. And then when I actually swatched it, it was interesting. So let me actually swatch this for you. Do you see that? It has like those small 3D glitters going through. I don't know if you can see that. So this is like a brighter pink and this is a lighter pink. And this is my favorite. I really like this gold one. And this is in the shade 08. This is how it looks, and this is how it swatches. So it's pretty nice. And the other one is again one of those gold shades with a little of silver in it. So I really like these single eyeshadows. I think they're so buttery. I think it's just like any other high-end makeup brand. This is a big thumbs up. I'm glad I picked these shadows. Let me actually add some fun here. I picked this for my husband's birthday. So I'm going to treat him really well on his birthday, and I think it should be special. This is a soap that I picked for him from Bangkok. So it's called the Bikini soap. So, you know, yeah, so this is one, and I picked another one. This is the Hibiscus soap. It looks pretty cute, right? I really like it. It smells amazing. I can just keep sniffing this. Another one in mango. So cute. And smells like mango. Trust me, guys, smells like mango. I also picked 2 more soaps which I gave to my mom. And one was the coconut, which actually looks like a coconut and smells like a coconut. And the other one was moringa, which was like favorite. It was the favorite out of the lot. But you know, when mamas like it, you can't do anything. Yeah, but I really like these soaps. They're so cute and they smell so good. I have 2 of these NYX pencils. These are like those crayon shadows. One is in gold. One is in gold and one is in copper. Interesting part about this particular thing here, which I just got on my back, is these are glitter liners. I've been looking for glitter liners since such a long time, and I picked so many variants of glitter liners all this while, and I was never ever satisfied because they say glitter liner and it is a metallic eyeliner. So I was like, they swatch so well. Let me actually show you a brighter color. They're really good. I'm glad I picked these. I was kind of skeptical while looking at these, so you know, my husband kind of helps me while I shop. He was like, you know what, just pick it. So I did. And then, can you see that? I'm not sure if the camera is doing justice to this, but it looks really good. I'm sorry about my phone. Shades, these are all the shades I bought. I think my favorite one is this one. It looks so good. The video is getting way too long, so I'm just going to push it too fast. And the very interesting thing that I found in nail polishes in Bangkok was they had matte nail polishes. Guys, I swear by these nail polishes, they're so good. So these are really good. They are so quick drying, but I would say these are not like long lasting nail polishes. It's just there for like 2 or 3 days, but I really like these. I've recently seen that Nykaa has come up with the matte nail polishes. I think you should give it a try. I'm not going to because I have a lot of nail polishes now. So let me actually show you the shades I bought. This is like a Fanta orange. Then this is the mint. This is a grey toned blue. This is like a deep grape color. This is this is a grey. Peach. All these are matte, by the way. I'm going to move on and show you the glittery stuff next, but you know, I'm just trying to show you all the mattes I have. And then this is my favorite, such a nice muted peach, mauvey peach color. I really like this one. And then the last matte shade I have is this shocking pink. I really like this color. All these nail polishes are mattes and I really like them. I applied this like 2 days ago and it's still good. Glitter one, I really like this one. Can we just have a moment and say thanks to whoever made this? Let me actually show this to you. These are like the regular glossy ones, and then this is another one. I really like these. These are all the products that I bought from Bangkok, and I'll shortly share the jewelry that I bought from Bangkok. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. And if you don't want to miss this jewelry haul, then subscribe, guys, come on. So let me know what you like about this video, what you don't like about this video in the comments bar down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And also follow me on social media. I'll have the links below. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching such a long video. Thank you. Bye.